This right here is a stage 2 Mercedes CLA wide body kit. We went over the mods a while ago, but a lot has changed with the build. Let's get into it, starting off with the newer things, and then we'll get into all the other things with the car. First up, this carbon fiber along the roof. So now there's carbon fiber there, and then it goes into the panoramic roof, and then on the back half of it, there's also carbon fiber all along here. And then our door pillar also has carbon fiber. We now have carbon fiber all along the brand new wheel. So we got carbon along here, here, and here. We have the carbon fiber trim along all of these air vents around here. And then the infotainment system, and then we have our airlift controller because this car is on bags. Red carbon fiber paddle shifters. More carbon up over here and down here. So it's basically all along the whole entire interior of the vehicle. It's a fairy design wide body kit on this CLA with heritage 3-piece custom wheels on stretch tires, and then it has bagged air suspension from Airlift, which is why the car is this low right now. So from the click of the button on that remote on the interior, you can go ahead and lift this thing up. And then we have our mirrors right over here, which are also carbon fiber. And as you can see, we have the fairy design sticker. And then right below there, we have our side skirts. Super cool because they literally touch the ground when the car is aired out. And as you can see, the fender is literally touching the lip of the wheel perfectly. And then we have our flicks right back here, more carbon with our massive diffuser and Rentec spoiler on the top. And then 6 stance stickers. Shout out to the homies, 6 stance. DM them on Instagram for a sticker for your car. But check out that diffuser, it looks amazing. HKS mufflers along here on the back. While we're back here, we're gonna go ahead and pop open this trunk. And as you can see, that's the airlift right over here with the air tank right back there. And the new thing with the setup is these new subwoofers. These right here are the Scar 888s. The reason it's 8s is because it's gonna fit with that air tank back there. If it's any bigger, it's not gonna clear this. So that's why it's 888s, and it sounds amazing now with the custom diamond stitched trunk mat. So we also got this dash mat, and what we're gonna go ahead and do is cover the front end of the vehicle now, which is gonna be our carbon fiber splitter, carbon fiber canards. Adds such a nice touch to the vehicle. It makes it look so aggressive, and that's the one thing I love about this CLA and this generation of it that I feel like the other Benzes don't have that are that good, is just the looks of it is so aggressive from the front. It's unlike any other of the newer Benzes out there. And then it has the CLA 45 AMG grille with the carbon fiber star. But let's go ahead and pop that hood, because as you can see, that right there is not stock. That is a custom intercooler, and there's some performance mods to go over. So while we're about to pop it, some more carbon fiber everywhere here. Burmester sound system. Subwoofer controls are right down there, but let's go ahead and pop the hood now. This is our Arma Speed intake, which I have a full YouTube video on our install on that. And then this right here was custom painted. This is all carbon fiber, and this one's painted over right on that section to match the hood cover. We have our diverter valve over here, and down you can see inside of there turbo kits, intercooler inlet pipes. Shout out to turbo kits, pretty cool people. And that's the massive intercooler you see behind the grill of this car. FI exhaust catless downpipe that you cannot see right now. And then we also have our lighting trends full underglow kit on the car. And as you can see from the top of the struts right over here, that's our airlift. So this is what the struts are looking like on here. And then this is the dampening, which is all adjustable for the struts of the car. But the dampening setup, so this thing can have a super aggressive ride height and not bottom out that beautiful splitter right along there. Man, this thing's sick. Go follow the owner at Cray_CLA on Instagram. He has some super fire reels and just content in general that he's posting of his car. So that sums up the video with this car. Super beautiful build. Shout out to the owner for letting me film with it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content on this car. Browse the playlist because we have so many videos on this vehicle. So make sure you guys all like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
You see a carku, call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy. Bamba Jinya beat down, Sari Dian street down. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy.